Today we are exploring Sukhumvit, hidden sois, local attractions, food options, shopping and more. Stay around and see why Sukhumvit is more than just where your hotel happens to be. This is Bangkok and this is Trailblazing Adventures. While Sukhumvit is actually the longest road in Thailand, what most people mean by Sukhumvit is the stretch east and west of Asok intersection, Bangkok's commercial spine lined with hotels, restaurants, and endless sois. In our case, we are focusing on the section between Phloen Chit and Phrom Phong. The key to finding your way around Sukhumvit is understanding what a sois is. A sois is simply a side street branching off the main avenue, in this case, Sukhumvit Road. Odds go north, evens go south. The higher the number, the further away you are from the start. Once you get the pattern, navigating Sukhumvit makes sense. Traveling through Sukhumvit and connecting to other points in Bangkok is easy thanks to excellent mass transit options. Today, we start our walk from Phloen Chit BTS station. Sukhumvit, Soi Zero, neighborhood on the railroad tracks. Come here, take a look, definitely worth it. Just keep your camera on your pockets. You're walking through people's backyards. We turn left on Soi 3. Soi 3 and the surrounding streets form an Arab and Middle Eastern hub, restaurants and hotels with Arabic signs, but we're heading through to reach a typical Bangkok scene at the end. Soi 8 during the day is a combination of food stalls with Thai favorites and terraces, where expats and tourists sit down to relax and have a cold shinga or leo. Sukhumvit is known for its two red light areas, Nana and Soi Cowboy, but the nightlife doesn't end there. A few blocks over, Soi 11 has a more mixed scene. Restaurants, clubs, terrace bars, and places where most visitors can feel comfortable wandering. Soi 10 is the gateway to Benchasiri Park. Benchasiri has it all, a lake to jog or stroll along a perfectly landscaped path with elevated walkways, basketball courts, and even free spin classes. Asok Junction is the heart of Sukhumvit, where the BTS SkyTrain and MRT meet, and Terminal 21 anchors the intersection. It's chaotic, connected, and perfectly Bangkok. This is also one of the best spots for city footage. Motorbikes lining up at the red light, trains above, and the poles of the city all around. For lunch, Terminal 21 can give you an introduction to street food in a modern, clean setting. But if you feel more adventurous, my recommendation is to walk north of Asok and have lunch at the Ruam Sab Market, a Bangkok office worker's favorite. West of Asok, Sukhumvit is still frantic, but you'll find fewer tuk-tuks offerings and far less of the nighttime solicitation that defines the red light areas. The side sois here include Soi 23, nicknamed by many as Soy Massage, along with others lined with pricey condos and a few good hotels. Benchasiri Park, at the east end of Sukhumvit area, offers a well-landscaped green space, and right next to it, M Quartier Mall has every luxury brand you can imagine, from Louis Vuitton to Gucci and more. So this is Sukhumvit, from a railroad community in Soi Zero to Louis Vuitton on the other end. Some will call it contrast, others inequality. All the contradictions and appeal of Bangkok captured in a single-day walk. If you want a similar walk through Bangkok's old town, check out our Khlong Saen area video. For a hotel review right here in Sukhumvit, watch our Holiday Inn review. Subscribe for more videos exploring Bangkok and Thailand. And as always, happy travels!